Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intana Zuha binti Abdul Rahman. I am from Pasir Gudang, Johor.
Hi, my name is Fardana binti Zulkifli and I'm from Selangor.
Hi, my name is Nur Atira Husna binti Hairuddin.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aisyah Umaira binti Muhammad Siddiq and I'm from Meru, Kelang, Selangor.
I will explain about question 1, part A. Nadira borrowed Rm 25,000 for her college expenses at an interest of 12% compounded monthly. She agreed to settle the loan in 7 years. Find the equal monthly payment. To solve this question, we use this formula, which is A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I power of negative n over I. Then we fill equal 35,000 equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.12 over 12 power of negative 84 over bracket 0.12 over 12. Then we get 25,000 equal R bracket 0.566484527 over 0.01, and we move 0.01 move to the side. Then we get 25,000 multiply 0.01 equal R bracket 0.566484527 and get 250 equal R bracket 0.566484527. Then we move 0.566484527 to other side and become divide. Then 250 divided by 0.566484527 equal R, and last we got 441 ringgit 32 cents for our question B. Immediately after paying the 70 years payment, she wanted to settle the loan in full amount. Calculate the amount to be settled. N equals 70 minus 84 equals 40. To solve this question, we use the same formula, which is A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I power of negative n over I. Because we already got amount of R, then we fill in the amount. So A equal 441.32 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.12 over 12 power of negative 14 over in bracket 0.12 over 12. We calculate all and we'll get Rm 5,738.79 cents.
Encik Alif needs to pay RM231.99 every month for a loan of RM12,000 from BTS Bank at 6% compounded monthly. From this question, you can identify that A is 12,000, R is 231.99, K is 6%, also known as 0.06, M is 12 because compounded monthly, and I is K over M, so it will become 0.06 over 12, and N is M multiply T, but we don't know yet. So the first question is calculate the number of equal payments required. For this question, you need to use this formula. A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I negative power n over I. So 12,000 equals to 231.99 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 12 negative power n over bracket 0.06 over 12. So you need to take it to the left, then you will get 60 equals to 231.99 bracket 1 minus 1.005 negative power n. After that, you need to take the 231.99 to the left and also 1 in the bracket. Because you cannot multiply with the negative power n, it will become 60 over 231.99 minus 1 equals to 1.005 negative power n. When you calculate, you will get negative 0.7413681624 equals to 1.005 negative power n. Second question is, if Encik Alif failed to pay the first 6 monthly payments, how much should he pay on the 7th payment to settle the outstanding arrears? So here are the solution. For this question, you need to use this formula S7 because we need to find the 7 payment equals to R bracket another bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. So it will become 231.99 bracket another bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 12 power of 7 minus 1 divide with 0.06 over 12. So the final answer is Rm 1,648.49 cents.
So So for the part B, question A is the net price of a washing machine after receive a trade discount of 6% and X% is 3,116.57 cents. Find the value of X and the discount amount if the list price is 3,490 cents. So we have to look for the info in the question. So for the trade discount is D1 0.06, D2 X%. For the end price is 3,116.57 cents and the list price is 3,490 cents. You just have to fill in from the info that you got. So NP is equal to 3,116.57 cents equal with LP is equal to 3,490 and multiple with 1 minus with 0.06 and multiple with 1 minus D2. The amount of 3,490 will be moved to the left side and it will be divided with 3,116.57 cents and will be divided with 3,490 ringgit. So next you will have 1 minus 0.06. So if you minus it, you will have 0.94 multiply with 1 minus D2. So you will have 0.94 multiple with 1 minus D2. But you cannot solve with this. So in order to solve it, you have to move 0.94 to the left, right? So you will have 0.94 divided with 0.893. How you get 0.893? You will have to divide with 3,116.57 cents divide with 3,490. So you will have 0.893. You will have to choose minus with minus 1 and you will get 5%. Discount amount, you will use LP minus with NP. So in order to solve this, the amount of 3,490 minus with 3,116.57 cents. So you will have 373.43 cents. For question B, explain the following cash discount term. 8/10, 5/20, and /30. Percent of cash discount will be given if the payment is made within 10 days. And for the 5% of cash discount will be given if the payment is made within 11 to 20 days. And for the last is N/30. You will not receive any discount if the payment is made after 21st day until 30 days.
Your home stylist ordered 10 units of dinner set and received an invoice date 10 August 2022 for 16,700 including transportation costs with cash discount terms of 11/10, 7/20, and N/30. The company was offered trade discount of 12% and 9%. The transportation cost was 400. So we have to list out the information given, which is LP equals 16,400 minus with additional cost, which is 400, and the answer 16,300. Second is additional cost equal 400. D1 equal 12%, change it to 0.12. D2 equal 9%, change it to 0. So let's take a look at the question first and find the single discount rate that is equivalent to the series of trade discount given. For single discount rate, we use the formula DSER equal open bracket 1 minus 1 minus D1 1 minus D2 times 100. Insert the information given equal open bracket 1 minus 0.12 1 minus 0.09 times 100. So the answer is 19.192%. Question B. The last date to receive 11% and 7 cash discount. First, find the date that we receive invoice, which is 10 August 2022. Draw like this to be more understand it. 10, 20, and 30. Between 10 August until 10 days, it is 11%. Between 10 until 20, it is 7%. And between 20 until 30, it is 0%. First, for 11%, 10 August until 10 days, we have to plus because 11% is between that days. So, we have to count 11% only and got the answer 20 August 2022. Second, for 7%, since 7% between 10 days until 20 days, so plus and got the answer 13 August 2022. Question C. The total payment if the payment was made on 28 August 2022. For the total payment formula is total paid equal LP 1 minus D1, 1 minus D2, 1 minus C, and plus additional cost. So to find the cost, since we don't know what the amount cost has is, we paid on 28 August, so the difference between the early date 10 and 28 is 18 days. So if 18 days, the percent cash discount we can get is 0.07. Alright, total paid equal 16,300, 1 minus 0.12, 1 minus 0.09, 1 minus 0.07 plus 400. So the answer is 14,6,797.15.